My name is Ruth Ombura, a politician from Homa Bay County Assembly that is found within Homa Bay Municipality. I must say that our partnership with Härryda Commune has helped a lot to enlarge the scope of understanding between us and our children. The underlying factor in this partnership is the child. So as a politician, I have recognized that when it comes to issues of decision making, we have to bring the child, the youth on board, because their voice counts and things should not be done for them. We view the youth as the leaders of tomorrow, but if we do not engage them today, then they won't have a better tomorrow. So they have to understand this perspective that their tomorrow depends on their today. So as a partner, as a partnership, we involve both of us, that is the politician and the coordinator, to ensure that we bring the youth together. We ensure to engage the youth to participate on issues that touch their lives today, that shapes their lives tomorrow. And this one also helps on influencing the other adults and the other young students like them. So by having this partnership, our children and our youth have been exposed to the other bigger world. They know the importance that they are not only children here, that they don't only affect the future now in Africa, but beyond.